Hey everybody, let's talk about translations. Translations. Well, translations are one of our types of transformations. And in geometry, transformations are when you change a figure's position or size to create a new figure out of the old figure. So it would be like if we took that letter R and turned it into a new letter R. And notice that we changed that R's position, right, in order to create a new image. Or we could do that to create a new image, or we could do that to create a new image. We're taking its position, its size, and changing it to create a new figure. All right, this new figure is called the image of the transformation. It's the new image that you get from the transformation that takes place. So we have an image here, and an image here, and an image here, and an image here. The original figure that you started with to give you that image is called the pre-image, which kind of makes sense. The pre-image is what you start with to get your new image. All right, this image is formed by a certain kind of a transformation that doesn't spin or rotate or grow. It just scooted up and to the left a little bit. That's what we call a translation. A translation is when you move a figure up or down, or when you move it left or right, or some combination of those directions. Okay? Notice that the size doesn't change. The orientation doesn't change. In other words, it's not facing a different direction. It just moves to a new position or a new location. All right? So a translation is when you change the location of a figure by moving it up or down or left or right. We could do that with things on a coordinate plane as well, such as triangle ABC. If I wanted to take triangle ABC, I could translate it up by 2 units. Or I could translate it down by 5 units. Or I could translate it to the left, or I could translate it to the right. Those are all different translations of triangle ABC, where triangle ABC is the pre-image to get a new triangle as the image. Okay? These are translations. You can call a translation a slide, or a glide, or a move, or a shift, or a scoot, or a scooch, or a nudge. They're all just different ways of saying that you're moving that figure around. So if we wanted to move this trapezoid ABCD, up 4 and 4 to the right, here's what we would do. We would take each point and do it one point at a time. So we would move point A up 4 over 4. And we would put a new point where the new point A is going to be. But we don't want to call it A because there's already a point A. So we put an A with a little apostrophe there. And the way we call that is we call it A prime. Okay, the A with the apostrophe is read A prime. And this is to distinguish A prime from the original A. A prime is the image. A is the pre-image that gave us the new image. All right, can we make a B prime? Sure. We're going to go one point at a time. Up 4 over 4. There's my B prime. And C prime is up 4 over 4 from where C was. And D prime is up 4 over 4 from where D was. And pretty soon we have taken our trapezoid and moved the whole thing up 4 and over 4 to give us a new image from the original pre-image. And that is a translation. The pre-image is trapezoid ABCD. The new image is trapezoid A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. So to summarize, a translation is just when you move something up or down or left or right to make a new image. So a translation is a move. That's the first type of transformation. There are other kinds of transformations where you change the position or the size to create a new image as well. But for now, we're just going to worry about translations, where you scoot things around a little bit. All right, so let's see if you get this. Take triangle ABC and tell me, what would the coordinates of A prime and B prime and C prime be if you did a translation of that whole triangle up 2 units and right 3 units? Give me the coordinates of point A prime, give me the coordinates of point B prime, and give me the coordinates of point C prime. Once you've done that, you done got this. So Hopefully that all makes sense. I'll see you in class tomorrow.